Hello, this is Picnic Time, item number 739-00, Andventure Wagon, how to remove and replace the back wheel. So what we need to do, we need to unscrew this screw right here. Only the one, it's only one, okay? You see there are 3 screws, but we're only gonna unscrew the one that is connected to the leg, and then you can just remove the whole leg. It comes out from the telescopic leg, and then make sure you push hard to remove this piece of plastic, so it's gonna get caught right here, and then pretty much that's it to remove it. Now we're gonna put it back. Just make sure you push hard right there. Very good. We're gonna make sure it goes back to the telescopic leg. All right, and then we need to make sure that there is this hole right there. It's gonna go to the hole right here, and then we're just gonna screw it back. Very good. Thank you very much.